Hi, I'm Sunday. Have you ever wanted to download Facebook videos but don't know how? Not to worry. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download Facebook videos on any device, be it a Windows or Mac PC or on your mobile device. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, go ahead and log into your Facebook account. We'll be doing it on PC and then we'll do it on mobile. So log into your Facebook device. Go ahead and locate the video you want to watch. Now to download the video, you're going to need to get the video URL. So first I'm going to show you how to get the video URL. So what you want to do is right click, let me pause this, right click on the video you wish to download and you can either click show video URL, so it will show the video URL and then you can copy it, or you right click and then you do copy video URL at current time, or you hover to where we have the date the video was published and you just click on it and then it's just going to show you the video on the address bar and then you can copy it. So those are three different ways to get the video URL. Once you've gotten the video URL, you want to head down to getfvid.com. I'm going to put down in this video description so you can quickly copy it. So getfvid.com, and what you want to do is to paste the video URL. Once you've pasted the video URL, you want to click on download. Then it's going to load the video for you to be able to download. So it's going to show you the video in different qualities, download in HD quality, download in normal quality. You just go ahead and click whatever version you wish to download and it's just going to start downloading straight to your system. Now at times you may click and it may not just start downloading, it could load up the video in another tab just like it has done now. What you want to do is to, well, right click on the video and then save video as, and then save it on your system wherever you want to give it. Just give it a title and then just save it on your system and then it's just going to go ahead and save. Depending on your internet speed, it could actually take a while. See, if saying it started downloading, it has started downloading already. All right, so that's one way to do it. So getfvid.com. Now let me just quickly show you another side just in case if this other side is down when you try it. You can use on this other side fbdown.net, or what you see have to do is the same thing, just paste the video URL and then click on download and then it's just going to show you the different formats to download. All right, next I'm going to switch to mobile and show you how to do it on mobile because it's actually different from how you do it on PC. All right, I'm now on mobile and quickly I'll be showing you how to download Facebook videos on your mobile device. So go ahead and open your Facebook mobile app and locate the video you wish to download. I'm just going to switch to the video tab and I have a couple of videos here. We're going to go ahead and select any one of them. So I'm going to try to download this. So all you need to do is to click on share and then click on copy link and open your browser and go to getfvid.com. That's the same website, and you want to copy you want to go ahead and paste the URL you had copied and click on download. Just give it a few seconds and then it's going to bring out the download option. So go ahead and select the quality you want, and if it loads this up, you want to click on the three dots at the right and then you're going to see the download option to download. And if you don't click on the three dots, if you click on the video and hold, you're going to see download video. So either you click the three dots on the right or you just click anywhere on the video and hold, and then you're going to see the download video option. Now that's one way to do it. I've seen some very stubborn videos that just sharing and getting the URL doesn't work. What you want to do for those ones is to visit Facebook on mobile. Let me do that on a new. It's just to visit Facebook on mobile. That's using your mobile browser. You log into Facebook on your mobile browser and locate the video you wish to download. Now once you found the video, what you want to do is to get the URL. So with this, it's quite different from how you get it on desktop. You want to click on the date right there, but because on mobile it's tiny, so at times it's pretty difficult to click the date to be able to get the URL. So you could click the three dots. I'm using Chrome. So click the three menu dots on the top right, and then you're going to see desktop side option. Just go ahead and check it, and then it's going to try to load it on mobile mode. Now what this does is it allows you to be able to zoom in. If you can zoom in on your device, you won't need to do this, but since I can't zoom in on mine, switching to the desktop mode allows me to be able to zoom in. So once I'm on the video page, I can zoom in to the date, the time it was posted, and then I'll be able to click on it and get the video URL. So you see now I'm able to click. So just click on it and hold, and then you can do copy link address, and then you can go back to gethelpvid.com and then just paste in the URL you copied, and then you can now select the quality you want and download. Alright, that's how to download Facebook videos on mobile. If the share URL doesn't work for you, what you want to do is to get the URL on the timestamp, which I've shown you how to. So that's how to download Facebook videos. If you find this video helpful, please show some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and when you're on Facebook, kindly like my Facebook page, Sunday Ukavio. Thank you for watching.